This is the reverse mini Ninja Vanish, or Minja Vanish for short. It looks like this. First, you're going to throw a trapeze. After you land your trapeze, you're going to insert your non-throw hand middle finger and rotate both fingers down and to the outside of the trapeze. You're then going to use your thumb on your non-throw hand and pinch against these two fingers. You're going to rotate these fingers, rotating the string that's attached to your yo-yo around, and you'll see this triangle form and the strings start to cross and intersect down by the gap of the yo-yo. What you want to focus on is this string that's closest to you. We're going to hop the yo-yo into that string, and that's what forms our green triangle. To properly perform Minja Vanish, you're combining all the elements we've learned so far into one moment. You're going to first hop the yo-yo up and just slightly behind your trapeze, and now almost at the same time rotate and whip your non-throw hand around. That's going to bring the string that's connected to the yo-yo behind your trapeze, and if you do it at just the right time and whip it, it's going to catch the yo-yo right in the triangle. If you're having problems with Minja Vanish, you might just be landing back into a trapeze. Remember, the yo-yo is supposed to drop behind your trapeze mount, and that's what intersects the string, creating your triangle. Another tip is to make sure that the yo-yo hops as close as you can to your non-throw hand, as this is where the triangle will be the widest, and it will give you the most room to land in your trapeze. Last but not least, just because it's a mini Ninja Vanish doesn't mean you want a little amount of string. I would recommend having about an equal length on each hand and maybe weighting it a little more towards your non-throw hand, so that way you really get as much slack as possible in order to catch it into that triangle. That was the mini Ninja Vanish or Minja Vanish.